Hey folks, Patrick with Skid Pro here. Today we're going to take a look at how to install our pallet fork thumb on an already purchased pallet fork set. When your pallet fork grapple attachment is shipped to you, it will come on a pallet, shrink wrapped, and it will come with all the parts necessary to complete the task. All the hardware is included, but you will need to bring your own tools. You'll need a 19mm crescent wrench, a 28mm crescent wrench, and the corresponding socket. We're going to take the thumb off the pallet, and for this step and any other part where we're lifting the thumb, we highly suggest that you use a partner. The thumb is shipped in the upward position, so you're going to want to take it and hook it up to your hydraulics and have it in the downward position. That way you're not holding the whole unit up while you're installing it. Next, we're going to go to the walk-through area, and there's a piece of grip tape there. There's 2 pre-drilled holes underneath that grip tape. You're going to want to cut those out. Now that the holes are cut, we're going to move on to installing the thumb. You're going to want to grab a buddy for this. Quick tip, we recommend that you either remove the tines completely or move them off to the side. Now that we have the top bolts installed in the thumb, we're going to place the spacer in between the thumb and the pallet forks. There should be a smaller hole at the bottom of the spacer. That's where your 19mm bolt is going to go in. The next bolt up is the 4-inch. Now we'll take our 3.5-inch Now we'll just repeat this process on the other side. Now that couplers are hooked up, you want to make sure that your hose is routed properly. Now let's go ahead and test it. Everything on the grapple seems to be functioning properly. If you have any further questions, please call your product guru or visit us at skidpro.com.